What's up, kids? I'm going to show you how to do graphing, specifically systems of equations on IXL. Look at this problem right here. Solve the systems of equations by graphing. First graph the equations, then type the solution. So here's my graph. Notice how when I hover over the graph, I get some little things, like a little target-looking thing. I'm going to click on one of the equations. Okay, that one right there. Negative x means the slope is -1. Minus 7 means the y-intercept is -7. So I'm going to put a dot at -7. And if the slope is -1, I go up 1, left 1, and there I put another dot, and there's my line. Okay? For the second equation, I'm going to click on that. 2x minus 1 means I have a slope of 2, or positive 2 over 1. I have a y-intercept of -1. So I'm going to go to my y-intercept and put a -1 on it. And since my slope is 2, I'm going to go up 2 over 1, click it, there it is. So I have my two lines. My solution is where the two lines intersect, and they intersect at -2, -5. So the solution is -2, -5, submit. Let's do another one really quick, just so that we're feeling comfortable. All right, y equals -5x plus 1, y equals -4x. If I go to -5x plus 1, click on that. My plus 1 is my y-intercept, plus 1 is my y-intercept. -5 is my slope, so -5 over 1, which means up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left 1, and there's my purple line. Y equals -4x means I have a y-intercept of 0. So I'm going to go to 0, put a dot there. My slope is -4, so up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, put a dot. And it looks like, it's not really easy to tell, but it looks like my lines cross right there. So I'm going to go with 1, -4 as my answer. And that's it. Bye.